Hi everyone! Welcome back to Speak Easy English. Today, we will talk about asking for help in public, mostly on the street, and we will practice polite phrases you can use every day.
Hi, Emma. Hi, everyone. I am glad to be here. Asking for help can feel hard, but small phrases make it easier.
Yes, and we will keep it simple and friendly. I will give a few short explanations sometimes, and we will practice together. If you like this episode, please like the video and subscribe to Speak Easy English.
I will like and subscribe right now. That helps the channel a lot.
Okay, let us begin with a very simple opener you can use anywhere. Say, "Excuse me." This phrase gets attention politely.
Excuse me is short and soft.
Right, add a question after it like, "Excuse me, can you help me please?" That is polite and direct. Let us practice slowly together. Excuse me, can you help me please? One more time. Excuse me, can you help me please?
That feels useful. I remember being in a new area and saying that. A person stopped and helped me find a bus stop.
Great memory, Jack. Now, a very common phrase for directions is, I am looking for for example, I am looking for the train station.
I am looking for the train station. I used that in a city when my map did not work.
Good. Another polite form is, could you tell me how to get to... That is a little longer but very polite. Try it with me. Could you tell me how to get to the museum?
Perfect.
When you use these phrases, add a thank you at the end, like, thank you so much, or I really appreciate it. Those short words make the interaction warm.
I always say thank you so much when someone helps me. It shows respect.
Now, a small vocabulary note. The word landmark means a building or object that helps people describe a place, like a big clock or a tall statue. You can ask, is it near the big clock tower? That helps people give clear directions.
Landmark is a helpful word. Once I used a supermarket as a landmark when telling a taxi driver where to stop.
Nice example. Now, let us practice a set of short lines for asking directions. Repeat after me slowly. Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Repeat. How do I get to Main Street?
How do I get to Main Street?
Repeat. Is this the right way to the subway station?
Is this the right way to the subway station?
Very good. Keep practicing those lines out loud. Now, a small story from my side. One rainy afternoon, I could not find my hotel. I stopped a person with a bright umbrella and said, "Excuse me, I'm lost. Can you help me, please?" They smiled, showed me the way, and even walked me to the corner. That kindness changed my whole day.
That is a nice story. I remember a time when my phone battery died and I needed a taxi. I asked a shop owner if I could use the phone. He let me call, and then he helped me wait for the taxi. I still remember his face.
Those memories show how people help when you are polite and clear. Now, let us look at small request phrases beyond directions. If your bag is heavy, you can say, "Can you help me carry this bag for a moment?"
Can you help me carry this bag for a moment? That worked for me when I had many bags after shopping.
If you need to borrow something small, ask, "Can I borrow your pen for a second?" That is polite and specific.
Can I borrow your pen for a second? Simple and useful.
Another urgent need is asking for a restroom. Say, "Excuse me, is there a restroom nearby?" That is clear and polite.
Excuse me, is there a restroom nearby? I use that in a crowded market. Someone pointed me to a cafe that allowed me to use their restroom.
Very practical. Now, a safety tip for street help. If you need help at night or in a quiet place, try to ask near a shop or a place with people. You can say, "I'm sorry to bother you, but can you help me?" That keeps the conversation safe.
I always try to ask near lights or busy places. It feels safer for me and for the person I ask.
Good practice. Now a short block for calling for help in an emergency. If someone looks hurt, say, "Are you okay?" Or, "Do you need help?" And if it is serious, say, "I will call the police," or "I will call an ambulance." In many countries, call numbers are different, so learn the local number.
I once saw a person slip and I asked, "Are you okay?" He said yes, but I still stayed until he felt better. Small actions matter.
That is kind. Now another short practice set. Repeat after me. Can you help me call a taxi?
Can you help me call a taxi?
Repeat. My phone died. Can you help me, please?
My phone died. Can you help me, please?
Repeat. I am looking for number 12 on Elm Street.
I am looking for number 12 on Elm Street.
Great. Now a vocabulary note. The word crosswalk is the painted area on the road where people cross safely. You can say, use the crosswalk to cross the street safely, or watch for cars before you cross.
Crosswalk is important. I remember learning that when I crossed very busy roads.
Another word is intersection. That is where two streets meet. You can say, turn left at the intersection, or the shop is across from the intersection.
Turn left at the intersection. I like giving clear steps like 3 blocks and then turn right.
Yes, simple steps are best. Now, a small role example in your mind. You are asking for directions and the person says, go 2 blocks and turn left. Then you say, thank you very much and I really appreciate it. That closes the conversation politely.
Thank you very much, and I really appreciate it. Those lines make the exchange warm.
Let us add a polite hesitation phrase. If you are not sure you understood, say, could you say that again slowly? Please say that again slowly. This helps with accents or fast talkers.
Please say that again slowly. I use that when accents are strong or the speaker is fast.
Good. Now some cultural tips. In many places, people start with small talk before asking for help. A simple line is, nice day today, or lovely afternoon. This makes the moment friendly.
I often say, nice day today, before I ask for directions. It makes the person smile.
Exactly. Now a longer travel example. Once I was in a busy city and I needed to meet a friend near a large statue. I asked a woman, excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the statue? She smiled and gave me 2 quick steps. I found my friend and we laughed about wrong turns. Those small talks become stories later.
For me, one time I carried heavy boxes and I lost my way to the train. I asked a man on the street, excuse me, is this the way to the train station? He guided me and even helped carry 1 small box to the station. I still think about that kindness when I help others now.
That is a beautiful habit, Jack. Now, practice a set for meeting points and waiting. You can say, I will wait near the blue cafe, or let us meet at the main entrance. That gives a clear place to wait.
I will wait near the blue cafe. That avoids confusion and makes meeting easy.
Now, let us practice helpful questions when you need to find a store. Repeat after me. Do you know where I can find a pharmacy?
Do you know where I can find a pharmacy?
Repeat. Is there a supermarket near here?
Is there a supermarket near here?
Repeat. Could you show me on a map, please?
Could you show me on a map, please?
Great. Now a small safety phrase. If you help someone across a busy road, say, please watch for cars, and walk on the crosswalk. That keeps everyone safe.
Please watch for cars. I use that when I help my neighbor cross a street.
Now, an important note about tone and body language. When you ask for help, look at the person, speak clearly, and smile a little. This shows you are friendly and polite.
I try to smile and keep eye contact. It helps the other person know I need help.
Great tip! Now a mid-episode reminder from me. If you are finding these practice lines helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Speak Easy English. Your support helps us make more lessons like this.
I already liked and shared some episodes with friends. It is useful content.
Thanks, Jack. Now a quick practice for urgent directions. Repeat after me. Where is the nearest hospital?
Where is the nearest hospital?
Repeat. I need help right now.
I need help right now.
Repeat. Please call an ambulance.
Please call an ambulance.
Good. Those lines are important in emergencies.
Now, a smaller help phrase when you drop something. Say, "Excuse me, could you help me pick this up?" That shows humility and asks for a small favor.
Excuse me, could you help me pick this up? I used that when my papers flew in the wind.
Now, some phrases for asking help from staff or officials. Say, "Excuse me, officer, I need assistance." Or, "Excuse me, can you help me find lost and found?" These show respect and clarity.
Excuse me, officer, I need assistance. Officials are trained to help in many situations.
Now, a short practice set for polite closings. Repeat after me. Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Repeat, I really appreciate your kindness.
I really appreciate your kindness.
Repeat, have a great day.
Have a great day.
Excellent. Now, a short role memory question. Jack, what is one moment you felt very grateful for help on the street?
I remember carrying heavy boxes to my car and a stranger helped me lift them. I was late and that help saved my plans. I wrote a thank you note to show my gratitude later.
That is thoughtful. I once had a friend who forgot her wallet in a cafe. I helped her ask the staff and they kept it safe for an hour until we returned. Small helps create trust.
I always try to help when I can now because of those memories.
Now, a final practice block with mixed lines. Repeat after me slowly. Excuse me, I am lost.
Excuse me, I am lost.
Pause. Next line. Can you show me the way to the station?
Can you show me the way to the station?
Pause. One more. Thank you for helping me today.
Thank you for helping me today.
Wonderful. Now, a closing tip. If you travel, learn a few local phrases for asking help in the local language and combine them with English. People appreciate the effort.
I learned a single phrase in one country, and it helped me find my way many times.
Before we finish, a small reminder again. If this episode helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Speak Easy English. It costs nothing and helps us a lot.
I will like and subscribe, and I will tell friends about this episode.
One last question for our listeners. How do you ask for help on the street where you live? Tell us in the comments. We love to read your answers.
I will read the comments and reply when I can. Thank you, everyone, for listening.
Bye for now, and keep practicing these polite phrases when you need help.
Goodbye, everyone, and stay safe out there.